I want to install Portainer that will help me to manage Docker containers. In the last video I show you how you can edit files directly from the file explorer. This approach have disadvantage because first we need to use SSH to access the file system in the home folder related with the current user, and we need to create second SSH connection to execute commands that are related with Docker and Docker Compose. In this example, I need to log in with SSH via terminal to virtual machine, to Debian server. Okay. I have some prepared commands. Usually they are taken from the official documentation from Portainer website. I prefer to use Docker Compose. So the one approach is to use nano or vim to create or edit files in the Docker containers folder that we mounted in the previous video with the secure FTP protocol, or just to use the file explorer interface and with the right click to create, and with when I select the Docker containers folder from the file menu, I need to create new folder with the name Portainer, and from here we can open this folder with the editor. And now I'm gonna create Docker Compose YAML file. Okay, let me see the documentation. I'm gonna copy all, okay, and paste it here. And when I press Ctrl S, this file will be from Visual Studio Code, will be saved on the file system on the Debian server, like this. With this Docker file, we create an app that is with the container name Portainer, with the latest image, and these ports will be open from the local machine to inside. From left side are ports that are in the one local area connection, and to the right side are ports inside the current Docker container. And these are the for data persistency, and of course the last option is very important, to set it to always. That means that this Docker container always will be running when the Docker daemon starts with the virtual machine and the Debian server. I'm gonna leave explanation for variants of this option for this restart flag. And okay, now it's time to start up the container. Okay, I need to go to the Docker containers directory, and from here I'm gonna see a new created folder. And from here you can see that this is the file, and now I need to run docker compose in the touch mode. Now instead to open localhost, because we're using the remote virtual machine, we need to populate replace localhost with this IP address. So I'm gonna copy the port, and from here I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna change the protocol to HTTPS. Okay, we need to press over advanced and proceed. Okay, now when we visit for the first time this page, it is a good idea to create a strong password, and from my documents I'm using this password, but you can choose whatever you want. Okay, you can leave this checkbox if you like. This will send statistic to the Portainer creators and developers. For example, if they collect some error logs or crashes. So I'm gonna leave this checked, and I'm gonna press the create user. And now the interface is too huge for, I'm gonna try to decrease the font size. In the next tutorial we're gonna start using the Portainer graphical user interface, and with his help we can administrate huge count of Docker containers and images. Thank you for your watching.